I'm here in the middle of Queen Square on St David's Day here in Wrexham. The rain has held back, the atmosphere is incredible, it has not dampened anybody's spirits. Just look around us, this is what you can see here in the centre of Wrexham. It's absolutely brilliant, it's absolutely rammed in Queen Square and there's a fabulous, fabulous atmosphere.
Dydd Gŵyl Dewi Happy Dydd Day.
It's about feeling belonging, of community. Wales is a very diverse place, community of communities, and I just love the fact that despite everything that's been thrown at us, we are still here, we're still celebrating, we've still got our own little corner of the world which is ours to a certain extent, and I just think, yeah, the sense of belonging, we're a very sociable bunch of people, and I like that.
For me personally, it's about celebrating what is unique to Wales, which is the people of Wales being really friendly, being really welcoming, being a really fantastic, unique country in the sense of our culture, our language, our heritage, the arts, the amazing music that we produce, and just really celebrating everything that it is to be Welsh.
Yes, it's an honour to be with Canterbury Band leading the St David's Day Parade once again since about 2007, and it's nice to be, well, we're one of the founder members, so it's nice to see that it's still carried on with the flag out of Alan's face there. Hey, camera stuff. Yeah, it's great to see all the kids out. The only downside is it's a shame that it's not a national holiday. We have asked for a national holiday since this event was done, and there's four holidays less than Europe. That's the four saints. Late saints early on, if you managed to catch that. But yes, they managed to give us another bank holiday for some silly reason in the next month. But yeah, so mwynhewch, Dydd Gŵyl Dewi, enjoy St David's Day.